They do not belong in any textbook you've ever read. Evolution took a strange turn, creating life that defies our reality.
This is not science fiction. These creatures share our planet, yet they look like visitors from a different galaxy.
First, the blobfish. When seen at sea level, it looks like a melted, gelatinous mask of flesh. This has made it a joke in pop culture, but that is a misunderstanding. Under the crushing pressure of the deep sea, its structure is perfectly adapted to survive, where human subs would crumble.
Then there is the vampire squid. It does not hunt like a typical predator. It drifts in the oxygen minimum zone waiting. It uses bioluminescent filaments to confuse attackers, vanishing into the pitch-black abyss like a ghost.
They are not monsters born of nightmare. They are the highly efficient survivors of an alien world we have only just begun to explore.
Third, the glass frog. Its skin is not just thin, it is completely translucent. You can watch its internal organs function in real time. It is a living, breathing, anatomical model, exposed for the entire world to see. Next, the salp. These gelatinous, barrel-shaped organisms act as biological filters, pumping water and carbon through the ocean. They look like fragile bubbles of glass, yet they form massive chains that span for kilometers.
Nature chose transparency as a shield against predators, but to our eyes, they are simply beautiful, impossible ghosts.
Number 5. The mimic octopus. It doesn't just change color to blend in. It physically rearranges its limbs and posture to imitate poisonous sea snakes, lionfish, or flatfish. It is the ultimate identity thief. It analyzes its environment, identifies the most dangerous local predator, and transforms into that threat. It is a level of intelligence that defies what we consider animal instinct.
It is a biological actor, perfecting a new role every time. It feels the approach of danger.
Seven, the tardigrade, often called the water bear. This microscopic being has survived all 5 mass extinctions. It can endure the literal vacuum of space, extreme radiation, and temperatures that would incinerate any other life form. When conditions get too harsh, it enters a state called cryptobiosis, effectively shutting down its metabolism until the environment becomes hospitable again.
It is practically indestructible. If Earth ever ceases to be home to life, the tardigrade will likely be the last witness left.
Number 8. The axolotl. This amphibian never undergoes metamorphosis. It keeps its gills and its aquatic life forever, but its true power lies in its blood.
It possesses a regenerative capacity that seems magical. It can repair its own heart, its spinal cord, and even parts of its brain, without forming a single scar.
Science has spent decades studying its DNA, hoping to unlock the secrets to human tissue repair. It is the closest thing to a biological fountain of youth.
9. The orchid mantis. Evolution has sculpted its body to mimic the exact shape and color of a flower. It doesn't just camouflage, it becomes an irresistible lure for unsuspecting pollinators.
The bee sees a place to land and feed. The mantis sees a meal. It is a perfect, silent death trap, where beauty and lethality become indistinguishable. It proves that in nature, deception is often more powerful than raw strength.
And 10. The siphonophore. It looks like a single, monstrous, long animal, but it is actually a colony of thousands of specialized organisms working in perfect unison. Some parts handle propulsion, others digestion, others reproduction. They are individual beings, yet they function as one massive, coordinated entity.
They can reach lengths greater than any whale. They are a living reminder that the concept of individual is just a human limitation.
Nature is terrifyingly beautiful. I am curiosity inside you. Subscribe now. And see you in the dark.